another she wireless joint. Look, just another day in the life. Just fucking with these foreign ass niggas trying to bring up the price. Here we go, deep concentration. Heavy ammunition to cover any altercation. Yo, you need to keep your eye on me. I'm the shit, homie, come and get these flies off me. Come on, how about some hardcore? Dissect my music, find every part's raw. Pass me the ball and you know I'm gon' score. Never like the first time, now they want more. So the official whiskey with the pistol. Heavyweight champion, shine like crystal. Now it's time to expand. A man with a gun and a plan, getting that money any way that I can.
It's the Colombian and the Dominican, the cat that brings it and the cat that slings it. The drugs is what I tell the children, but the movies is showing them it's $1 billion business.